Well, we finally did it. We bought a pontoon boat. Oh yeah, first time on a pontoon boat. Drives like a Cadillac. Well, welcome back to another pontoon boat restoration video. In my last vlog on the sailboat, I had a bunch of reggae because I love reggae. I figured I'd mix it up this time and do a little bit of bluegrass because I also like bluegrass. So we've got the fence here up on the sawhorses after getting them out the other day off of the boat. I've got all the fences over there. I don't know if you can see them, but I started on this one. Cleaned it up a little bit. Doggone, I keep getting my fingers in the way. I gotta stop doing that. I did that on the last video. So I'm trying to get this old nasty what's called gimp trim off. And this stuff is just breaking off. It looks really bad. And it's all over the fences, even on the bottom too. And it's horrible. This stuff is, you know, so old it's just snapping off. Get a little tool here. It's just breaking off. It's horrible looking, and I've been really trying to get all this stuff out. As you see, it's still in there a little bit, and this is a pain in the butt. Trying to get all this stuff out is horrible. So I've been going back and forth on whether I should just leave the rivets like this or do gimp trim. I did buy some RV gimp trim, and it's UV rated and everything, and this is originally what was on it, that old stuff there. And what it is it's a piece of vinyl that hides rivets. So I got a little bit on right here. I mean, I guess it doesn't look too bad. I think I'll do it. I might only just do it on the top and maybe like down each side. Because if I do it on the bottom, it's gonna hold dirt. I don't know if I want that. There's some of that other old stuff. So they did it on the bottom originally. I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just going to do probably the sides and the top, make it look decent, and then keep the rivets on the bottom. So I've got most of these I've got all the top rivets drilled out. So I'm going to probably pop some more rivets in these right now and put this gimp trim on and see how it looks. Cue. coming along pretty good. I finally got all that old nasty trim off. Boy, that was a bear. As you saw, I ended up having to take a heat gun and melting this stuff. It did not want to come out. I'm probably going to leave the trim off the bottom because it looks pretty good except for these front fences. But it's coming along pretty good. Let me go over here real quick. Just got done pressure washing them to clean them up. And these are looking pretty good. I think somebody put this trim on afterwards because it was over some of the re-riveted fences where the front has been hit a little bit, a couple of times. It's not real bad. We have a little bit of denting. So apparently somebody ran into a dock or two. But it's not too bad. You can see some denting there. And then on the other side, we have some re-riveted areas here. A couple of double rivets right here and here from where it looks like it took a hit or two. The fences themselves are in good shape, but we got a couple dents up here up front. And as you see, there are several double rivets from somebody that fixed it, and then they put that GIMP trim over it to hide it. So there's been some work done to this. I don't think the whole thing was refurbished, but I think there was some work done to it. So here's the first section I did, and it's turned out pretty good. That's the trim right here, and it actually went on a lot better than I thought it would. So it looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to go back over here, start putting some of this trim on the top. So here we go. Oh, the skies are looking a little mean. I got to do a little quick wrap-up video for this episode. We got the flooring done on the pontoon boat, but that's for a later video. I'm going to do a quick wrap-up here. Got the GIMP trim in. Got everything cleaned up. It's looking pretty good. I think it's all right. The fronts turned out a little worse than the rears. I thought the rears turned out a little better. But I think we're going to be good. Here's the rears under the sailboat. Right here. And I think it ultimately turned out pretty good here. I'm happy with it. So we got the floorings done. So next we're going to get these fences on. But that's, I think, 2 videos later. So just wanted to do a quick wrap up. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh, it is about to rain hard. Here it comes. Bye-bye. I'm going in.
We just unscrewed a boat! First of it.
Whoa, the fish finder just showed up.